Welcome to the next lesson. Here, we'll take a look at Supermetrics for Excel. Let's take a deeper dive into our agenda today. First of all, we'll answer the question, what is Supermetrics for Excel? Next, we'll see what kind of reports you can create with Supermetrics for Excel. You'll get step-by-step instruction on getting started, instructions on how to run your first queries, and how to set up triggers in emails in Supermetrics for Excel. Then, we will take a closer look at the paid channel mix report and finish this lesson with an assignment. First of all, what is Supermetrics for Excel? Supermetrics for Excel is an add-in that allows getting data from Google Ads, Google Analytics, HubSpot, Facebook Ads, and 60 more other data sources into Excel in a few clicks. In practice, you will get a sidebar where you can build queries. Just like in Google Sheets sidebar, you can select any date range and query metrics and dimensions of your choice from the chosen data sources.
Hi, this is Michael from Supermetrics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Supermetrics add-in for Microsoft Excel. To get started, open a new Excel workbook, either on your desktop version or Excel Online. Then go to the Insert tab and continue to the Add-ins section. In the Office Add-in Store, search for Supermetrics. To start the install, click on Add. From the pop-up, click on Continue. That's it. The Supermetrics add-in is now installed in Excel, and you can find it under the Data tab. Click on Show Supermetrics to launch the Supermetrics sidebar. Now log in with your Microsoft account and grant access to Supermetrics. You're now ready to start getting your data straight to Excel with Supermetrics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log your data sources with Supermetrics for Excel. Once you've installed the Supermetrics add-in for Excel, you can find it under the Insert tab in the Add-ins section. Go to My Add-ins, select Supermetrics, and click on Add. To launch the Supermetrics sidebar, go to Data and click on Show Supermetrics. Next, in the Supermetrics sidebar, start out by selecting your data source. In this example, we're going to use Google Ads. Depending on your data source, follow the login process and grant access to Supermetrics. Once you've logged in, return to Excel. In the Supermetrics sidebar, you can now see your account in My Data Sources. That's it. You're now ready to start running your queries and pulling your data directly to Excel with Supermetrics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your first queries with Supermetrics for Excel. To get started, open the Supermetrics sidebar from your Excel add-ins. Next, select your data source. In this example, we're going to use Google Ads. Continue to select the account or property you want to pull data from. Then select the time frame. You can either choose from a list of present date ranges or set custom start and end dates. In this example, we're going to look at the breakdown of key performance metrics by campaign from the last 30 days. Next, continue to select your metrics. Here you can see a list of metrics similar to what you would see in the original data source, in this case, Google Ads. You can choose the metrics that are relevant to you. Here we're going to select impressions, clicks, cost per click, and conversions. You can then also split the data to rows or columns with different dimensions. Here we'll split the data by campaign. With filters, you can further define which data to include in your query. Now we're all set to run the query. Your data will be displayed starting from the cell you have selected in Excel. Finally, click on Get Data, and that's it. Your query's done. Now we're going to create a new table to look at our monthly conversions, split by conversion category. First, set the custom time frame to the first half of 2020. Then select conversions as the metric. Split by rows by conversion category. and split to columns by year and month. If you want to modify your queries, simply click on the cells containing the data. In a few seconds, a tab will open in the sidebar. You can then refresh, modify, or delete the query and data. That's it. Keep running your queries with dimensions and metrics relevant to you, and get your data straight to Excel with Supermetrics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up triggers using Supermetrics for Excel to refresh your queries automatically and to send your report straight to your inbox. In your Excel workbook, open the Supermetrics sidebar and go to the Schedule tab. To use triggers, make sure your file is saved to your personal or organization's drive. Next, click on Add Trigger. First, select an action for the trigger. You will see options depending on your Supermetrics license. In this example, we're going to set up a weekly refresh and email trigger to our report, which is available in our Super Pro plan. Next, set the time you would like the trigger to start the refresh process. Continue to fill the email preferences, including the subject line and attachment type. Under More Options, you can also make further selections, such as adding your clients or colleagues as CC. Finally, click on Save, and that's it. Your trigger has been saved, and you will see your new trigger in the sidebar. Your queries will be refreshed automatically, and you'll receive your weekly update straight to your inbox.
Now, what kind of reports can you build in Excel with Supermetrics for Excel? These are, first of all, detailed overview reports, or reports which combine metrics from multiple data sources, and you can use complex formulas on top of that to get insights from your data. As for the assignment for this lesson, which reports you'd like to build in Excel? Answer it with the following two questions. First, how are you currently building your detailed and accurate reports? And second, what kind of analysis you can do in Excel once you have all your data there? As usual, feel free to give Supermetrics for Excel a spin, and please don't forget to share the reports with us so we can provide you with feedback and tips.